When I'm teaching beginners how to pick locks, I say don't worry about which way you pick the lock. There's a whole pile of really good tools out there that will flip the lock into the correct position. It moves it so fast that the key, the plug, will go to the unlocked position. Some locks just won't pick which way you want it to pick. So just pick it however it picks, and then you worry about it with the flipper. My go-to flipper, I really like the A1 plug spinner. It's slim, it's in my kit, it's quick, it's easy, it fits well. I really do like the HPC, and this is the German Wendt. I really like these plug spinners. They're effective, fast, good, a little bit more bulky, really reliable. Anything from Peterson is good. This is his plug spinner. He's also got a spinner attachment on this, so if you want to spin a lock you've bumped and it's bumped the wrong way, you can use the different attachment on this. My favorite plug spinner is the A1 Security, and then I'm really liking the HPC or the Wendt plug spinners, and of course I always have the Peterson. If everything, it's my fallback, it's always in my kit. You should have at least two, because you can break springs. Sometimes they break, they bend, whatever, or it's a bad day for that one, or you've worn it out. Have a few spares. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.